Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you're building a financial plan, here's one thing I want you to hear loud and clear. Protect your income first before you pour every spare dollar into savings or investments. Income protection here includes life insurance, disability insurance, and critical illness insurance. Why is protection important? Because your ability to earn is the engine that powers everything else. Your mortgage, your RRSPs, RESP investing, and the lifestyle your family depends on. Think about what happens if that engine stalls. One illness, one serious injury, or the sudden death of a breadwinner can wipe out savings, force you to sell investments at the worst time, or leave your family with mounting bills. Many Canadians don't have the buffer to absorb even a small shock. About 1 in 4 Canadians said they couldn't cover an unexpected $500 expense, according to Statistics Canada. That's not luxury vulnerability, that's basic financial fragility. Disability and chronic illness are more common than people assume. In 2022, roughly 27% of Canadians aged 15 and over reported at least one disability. That's about 8 million people. A long-term health event can mean weeks, months, or years away from work. If you don't have disability insurance or other income protection, you're forced to tap retirement accounts, sell investments, or rely on savings, and many households simply don't have enough to cover prolonged loss of income. There's a real connection between income shocks and insolvency. Consumer insolvency filings climbed again in recent years. In Q1 of 2024, roughly 372 Canadians a day filed consumer insolvency, a sign that income disruptions often spill over into bankruptcy or consumer proposals when families run out of options. Critical illness insurance and life insurance aren't just nice to have. Millions of Canadians already hold critical illness coverage, and the product exists precisely because medical events can create catastrophic out-of-pocket costs and lost income. When you have an income protection policy, you create a firewall, bills get paid, you can keep long-term investments intact, and you have time and space to recover without financial panic. The bottom line is prioritize an affordable level of life, disability, and critical illness protection tailored to your situation. Build an emergency fund and invest, absolutely, but only after you've secured the one thing investments can't replace, your ability to earn. Canadians' emergency savings have been under pressure in recent years, which makes insurance protection even more vital as the first line of defense. Remember, protection is not the opposite of investing. It is the precondition of investing. Without it, your investment strategy is built on shaky ground. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for more content about smart Canadian personal finance. Leave a comment below if you have questions about income protection. We'll explore more topics like how to choose disability insurance, what to watch out for in life insurance, and how to integrate protection with your savings and investment strategy. Take care of your income. Protect your future. See you in the next video.